Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start accepting credit cards for your business quickly and securely? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to accept credit card payments using Square. Whether you are on your phone, online, or in person. Perfect for small business owners, market vendors, or freelancers. Now, what is Square? Square is an all-in-one payment solution that lets you accept credit cards, debit cards, and contactless contactless payments or anywhere. It works through your smartphone, tablet, computer, or even your website. You can accept payments in person or online with low transaction fees and no monthly cost for basic accounts. Let's get started by creating your free account. Go to squareup.com, then click Get Started and sign up using your name, using your email address. Create a strong password and select your location, then click Continue. Now set your business type like beauty and personal care, business category, body grooming. Yes. Now the front. Do you currently accept credit or debit cards? Yes, we accept credit cards. Name your business, then business contact, your first name, last name, and address. Then click Continue. Congratulations, you are all set. Click Login button. You will also be prompted to order your free Square reader for Magstripe. It plugs into your phone's headphone jack or lighting port. You can also upgrade to a contactless and chip reader. Now let's walk through accepting a credit card in person using the Square app. Download the Square Point of Sale app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign into your account, tap Charge, and enter the amount to or select an item. Choose the payment method like swipe, insert, tap. After the payment is approved, you can send a digital receipt. Print one or skip it. Funds will be deposited into your bank usually within 1 to 2 business days. Want to accept credit cards online? Square has a few great tools like invoices, send a custom invoice, and get paid by card. For that, click Payments and Invoices, then select Order or Transactions. Select Transactions and click Create Order. And follow the on-screen instructions. Then check out links, share a payment link via email or social media. Then online store, build a free e-commerce website and accept payments directly. Let's create an invoice. Go to invoices tab, then follow the on-screen instructions which I said earlier. Let's talk money. Square's fees are simple. In-person payments 2.6% plus 10 cents per transaction. Online or invoice payments 2.9% plus 30 cents. Manually entered card information 3.5% plus 15 credit 15 cents. There are no setup fees, no monthly fees, and you only pay when you make a sale. Here are a few extra tools to level up your business with Square. Inventory management, track stock in real time, customer directory, save contacts for follow ups or loyalty programs. Sales reports, view your daily, weekly, or monthly performance. Offline mode, take payments even when you are not connected to the internet. And yes, Square also supports tip collection and tax calculations automatically. And that's how you accept credit card payments using Square in 2025. Whether you are at a farmer's market freelancing online or running a store, Square makes it fast and easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.